guys, welcome back. Today I am back with a new video. Today I have two new dolls from Amazon. These are from Werflot, which I've never heard of before, but I am excited to review these for you today. So we'll go ahead, we'll take a look at doll number one. They come in this box. Oh, so I will hold him up. He's really cute. He's wearing like a little egg outfit. And that's exactly how he comes in the box. I will go ahead and I will take him out. He comes in a bag. And he is so cute. So this is what he looks like when he's inside the bag. Oh no, get me out of this bag. Get me out. Help me. I'm trapped. I can't breathe. Okay, we'll save you, little guy. Okay, so we'll go ahead. We'll take him out. He comes with this little card that has his picture on it. I'm assuming this is like their certificate from Werflot. And there's a little girl on the other side. So it's him. And then the little girl. And then there's a card that comes with it. It says happy every day on it. And you could give this to a gift to somebody. So that's what I assume that that's for. So he is really cute. So he's actually pretty heavy too. I didn't get my scale out. I should have probably, but I will put in the comments how much he weighs. I'll weigh him after this video and I will let you know. But he's actually a good sized baby. He's pretty big. He has really nice mohair. Like it's rooted like super nice and it's so soft. I want to let you get a look there. Beautiful head of hair. Gorgeous. It's very long for a little boy. But I think his face is so precious, don't you? He's adorable. So he comes with this little clip that clips onto his outfit. He was supposed to come with a pacifier that's magnetic, but unfortunately it didn't make it with him. But that's okay. I mean, you could always make your own magnetic pacifier and put it on here afterwards. So that comes off. He has this adorable little outfit. It's like almost like a winter outfit, like almost like a snowsuit, but it's like a fleece material. And his legs are posable. His arms, they do pose, but you have to work with them quite a bit. His body is all cloth, and his limbs are vinyl. And then look, when you open up his outfit, it says sunny side up. Isn't that so cute? So his limbs are 3/4. The cloth comes to like right here. So he does have a little bit of cloth on his arms, and then it's vinyl. The vinyl's pretty soft. It's not that hard. His legs are also 3/4 because I could feel the cloth comes to right here, and then the rest is all vinyl. So super adorable. I like this little guy. I love his egg outfit. I think he's just so cute. And his eyes are like a bright blue. So cute. So I can't wait to see the next one. So this is the second doll we have. And we have another little boy in a blue outfit. So we'll get him out of the box. We'll take a look at him. So this one comes in the same type of bag. And this one is wearing also another winter outfit. He looks very similar to the first one. Just maybe a little bit of differences in the face I could see. So we'll get him out. So he comes with this Happy Everyday card that you can fill out. It's blank inside. And also this certificate. So that's our first baby that we had and that girl. So I'm assuming it's probably the same card in every one that you get. But again, this is a brand new company. I have never seen them on Amazon. Their dolls are new. So this guy, he's cute. So his face is a little bit different than the first baby's. Or I'll get the other one up here. He's actually really heavy too. They have really good weights to them. I think I like the first baby's face better, but this one's still really cute. So this one, again, beautiful rooted mohair. super soft, and it's very thick. Like the rooting job is just amazing. I mean, it's really, really full. And he's got a little outfit. He has a little, it looks like a bear. So he has a bear hood. His outfit also has a bear. And then he has the clip, but he has the magnetic pacifier. So this one did come with it. I think the first one was just maybe a one-off. But there we go. But it makes it kind of heavy, so it kind of, with the clip on there, you have to be careful or else it will come off. But he is so cute. Look at him. So yeah, he has a really good weight. He's the same as the first one. He has 3/4 limbs, arms and legs. I can feel the cloth is right here, but this is all vinyl. Same thing with the legs. This is cloth, and the rest is vinyl. He has cute little socks. Here, we'll take a look at his feet since we didn't get to see the other one's feet. Aw, look at those little feet. Aren't they so cute? And he's got little wrinkles there. So, I just wanted to do a quick video and show these guys to you. You tell me which one do you like first. Do you like little egg dude or do you like little bear dude? I think I like little egg dude a little bit more, even though he didn't come with the pacifier, but they're still super cute. I love both of them. So, tell me what you like, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.